The Day Tripper Lite is the ideal resource during a single day in the woods, whether you're exploring solo or with a friend, with just the right amount of first aid supplies to help your trip go smoothly. Inside the kit are semi-transparent pockets that are organized and labeled by injury in French and English, so you know exactly where to reach. The wound care pocket features a variety of wraps and bandages, plus pre-cut moleskins to treat hot spots and blisters. Adventure Medical Kit's exclusive manual, a quick guide to wilderness first aid, a quick reading fold-out pamphlet to help you treat the most common and serious injuries. The medications pocket includes after-bite bite treatment, as well as space to pack your own medications to treat pain, fever, inflammation, diarrhea, and allergic reactions. Cuts and scrapes items include our exclusive easy access bandages, butterfly closer bandages, antiseptic wipes, and more. The International Mountain Series medical kits provide you with the highest quality first aid supplies and medical information based on the most current guidelines in wilderness emergency medicine.
The Thru-Link water filter connects directly into your hydration reservoir, letting you filter as you drink and giving you the freedom to move quickly on the trail. On big days, don't stop to filter, just scoop and go. This ultralight filter adds minimal weight to your pack. It's just 71 grams or 2.6 ounces. We designed it specifically for high flow, easy drinking, making it the absolute simplest way to stay safely hydrated as you cover the miles. The Thru-Link uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, and protozoa, like Cryptosporidium. These fibers also remove particulate, like dirt and microplastics. Activated carbon then reduces tastes, odors, and chemicals to create reliable, taste-free drinking water. The Thru-Link is compatible with any hydration reservoir on the market. If your reservoir doesn't have a built-in quick connect, we provide the fittings to create one. We originally designed the Thru-Link for the US military, and a decade later, they still use it in the field thanks to its efficient design and rugged housing. So when it's time to hit the trail with a fast and light pack, grab the Thru-Link filter and go. At camp, use it as a gravity filter for ultimate convenience. Built for unrivaled inline performance, the Thru-Link water filter truly keeps pace with you, keeping you safely hydrated without slowing you down.
The Aether and Ariel AG series. These are incredibly capable packs that are perfect for everything from backpacking to through hiking and even mountaineering expeditions, any activity where you need to carry heavier loads. They feature incredibly customizable fit with an interchangeable harness and hip belt that's custom moldable. They also feature anti-gravity technology which hugs your body and makes it feel like you're carrying less weight than you actually are. And the top lid converts to a day pack you'll actually want to use for short day hikes or even a summit bid from base camp. The Aether AG comes in an 85, 70, and 60 liter version, and the Ariel AG comes in a 75, 65, and 55 liter version. These packs also share the following features: a removable top lid that converts to the day lid day pack, dual upper side compression straps, dual access side stretch mesh pockets, lower inside out compression straps, zippered hip belt pockets, stow on the go trekking pole attachment, additional main compartment access, a large stretch mesh front panel pocket, dual front compression straps with straitjacket compression, dual ice tool loops with bungee tie-offs, a zippered sleeping bag compartment with removable divider, removable sleeping pad straps, an integrated flap jacket cover for lidless use, and an internal hydration reservoir sleeve. When you need to carry heavier loads, whether for a weekend of backpacking or a full-blown expedition, the Aether and Ariel AG series and Day-Lid Day Pack will take you where you want to go.
Jetboil MiniMo system. The MiniMo is a fantastic personal cook system that weighs in at just 14.6 ounces, but still gives you a 6,000 BTU burner stove with Jetboil's regulator technology and unbeatable simmer control. The big story with the MiniMo is the redesigned cooking cup and handles. It comes with a 1 liter short flux ring cooking cup and insulated cozy, and as the name suggests, it's shorter and a bit wider than before, so you get a better spoon angle. So that just means it's easier than ever to cook and eat straight out of the cup since you can get more of your spoon in there. The metal handles here on the side are super sturdy and they're insulated so you won't burn your hands, and they really just go a long way towards making this thing really usable. Now the cup itself has this great drink-through lid with a pour spout and a strainer, so you can use it as a cup for coffee or to strain pasta. And the bottom cover doubles as a measuring cup or bowl, so you have everything you need to make a meal for yourself all right here. So it's the perfect size system for one person, and the flux ring technology on the cup make it really fuel efficient. It'll boil a half a liter of water in just 2 minutes and 15 seconds, and one of these 100-gram fuel canisters will let you do that 24 times. Jetboil's regulator technology means you can boil water for coffee in an instant and then cook perfect scrambled eggs all on the same stove. So all in all, with the MiniMo, you get an incredible personal cook system. The shorter cup size makes it easier than ever to cook and eat out of the same vessel, and you won't have to sacrifice weight for cooking performance in the backcountry.
PACLITE Plus is a 2.5 layer fabric. It's super lightweight, but it's durably waterproof. It's got tape seams, and it only weighs 257 grams, which is just over 9 ounces. This jacket is so lightweight that you can always have it in your pack. Gore-Tex PACLITE Plus is a new fabric for Spring 20. Although it's a 2.5 layer, it feels more like a 3 layer, and it gives you next to skin comfort for a really lightweight jacket like this, which is sweet. This jacket has fully taped seams, so it's totally waterproof. The nylon ripstop fabric helps to prevent snagging and tearing and increases durability. It's got waterproof zippers on the front and the hand pockets and the chest pocket as well. So the jacket's got seam articulation here, so it's totally seamless underneath the armpit, which is good for all-day comfort, and you get less rubbing when you're wearing a pack. It's got a hook and loop closure on the cuff here, so you can get a really good seal and keep the rain out. The hood has got a single pull draw cord so that it stays secure and moves with your head even when it's wet. And there's a bill stiffener to keep the rain off your face. I really like this jacket because it's so lightweight and stretchy and packable that you never have an excuse not to have it with you. This is the Exposure 2 PACLITE Plus jacket from Mountain Hardware.